Remember the Corrado? That quirky, understated, and incredibly fun sports coupe from Volkswagen that quietly disappeared after making its mark in the late 80s and 90s. Well, get ready, because if these stunning images are anything to go by, Volkswagen might just be bringing back the legend, and it's looking absolutely phenomenal. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning renders of what's being speculated as the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado. Is this the future of VW's performance coupes? Does it live up to the legacy? Let's find out. From the front, the first thing that grabs you is the sheer width and aggressive stance. The ultra-slim LED headlights, which stretch almost the entire width of the car, create a menacing yet sophisticated light signature. The lower bumper section is sculpted with prominent strakes, likely for improved airflow and cooling. This isn't just pretty, it looks purposeful. It screams, "I'm fast and I know it." And the absence of a traditional grille as we know it suggests a strong possibility of this being an all-electric or at least a highly electrified powertrain. Moving to the side view, the Corrado's athletic proportions truly come into their own. The wheel arches are incredibly muscular, housing what appear to be massive, multi-spoke alloy wheels with a very aggressive, almost turbine-like design. The contrast of the deep red paint with the dark accents on the wheels and lower bodywork is simply stunning. The flush door handles, which are becoming increasingly common on modern concepts, add to the sleek, uncluttered aesthetic. And speaking of sleek, the side skirts are deeply sculpted, likely playing a role in managing airflow along the vehicle's flanks. It's a design that feels both futuristic and instantly recognizable as a Volkswagen, albeit a Volkswagen unlike anything we've seen before. Now, let's talk about the rear. This is where the Corrado truly sets itself apart. The full-width LED taillight bar mirrors the front lighting signature, creating a cohesive design language. The individual LED elements within the bar have a unique, almost segmented look, which adds a lot of visual interest. Below that, the integrated spoiler is subtle yet effective, flowing directly from the roofline. Let's speculate a little about what could power this beast. Given the current automotive landscape and Volkswagen's strong push into electric vehicles with the ID. Family, it's highly probable that a new Corrado would be either a pure electric vehicle or a high-performance plug-in hybrid. An all-electric Corrado could leverage VW's modular electric drive Matrix M EB platform, or perhaps a more performance-oriented version of it. Imagine instant torque, silent acceleration, and the kind of blistering performance that only electric powertrains can deliver. A high-performance Corrado EV could easily rival established electric sports cars in terms of acceleration and handling. If it were a hybrid, Volkswagen has some fantastic powertrains in its arsenal. Perhaps a highly tuned version of the 2.0-litre TSI engine, paired with electric motors, similar to what we've seen in some of their performance concepts. This would offer a blend of traditional sports car feel with the added boost and efficiency of electrification. So, what do you think? Are you ready for the return of the Corrado? Does this design excite you as much as it excites us? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you.